Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. And today we are on Indian stock market analysis, and we are going to analyze Indian company, which I have taken on the screen, named as HCL Technology Limited, with its latest LTP 1354.35, with increased price of 8.75, and in increase in price percentage of 0.65 percentage. And you can see here over the time frame, it stock price increased by 0.65 percentage, 5 days 0.35, 1 month 11.28 percentage, 2 month 2.14 percentage, year to date minus 6.92 percentage, 1 year 22.23 percentage, 5 year 152.68 percentage, all time high of 5,518.25 percentage. Upcoming earnings July 19, first quarter report 2024, EPS estimate 14.76, revenue 282.68 billion, key statistics 3.65 trillion, dividend yield 3.86, price to earning ratio 323.25, basic EPS 58, net income 157.02, revenue 1.10 trillion INR, shares float 1.06 billion, beta 0.92, sector technology services, industry information technology services, CEO Chinnaswamy Vijay Kumar, website htstltech.com, headquarter Noida, and here is some description about HCL Technology. HCL Technology Limited is a tech company which engage in computer programming, consultancy, and related activity. It operates through the following segment: information technology and business services, ITBS, engineering and research and development services, ERS, and product and platform management. The information technology and business service segment offers the technology architecture for the business. The engineering and research department service segment develops the digital solution for the different engineering sectors. The product and platform segment offers the HCL software for domain specific niche sector. This company was founded by Shiv Nadar on November 12, 1991, and headquarters is in Noida, India. And we will see its financial with closely held share at 1.65 billion, free float share 1.06 billion, with percentage 60.08 percentage, 39.2 percentage, market cap 3.65, debt 57.56, minority interest 83, cash and equivalent 271.93, enterprise value 3.44, price to earning ratio 23.25x, price to sales ratio no, and market cap 3.65, valuation ratio PE 10.72, PS 1.68, PE 23.95, PS 3.54, PE 23.38, PS 3.68, PE 19.83, PS 2.90, PE 26.67. Growth and profitability with revenue 706 billion INR, net income 110, net margin 15.64, revenue 753, net income 111, net margin 14.79, revenue 856, net income 134, net margin 15.76, revenue 1.01 trillion, net income 148, net margin 14.64, revenue 1.10 trillion, net income 157, net margin 40.29, revenue 1.10 trillion, COGS minus 830.28, gross profit 268.85 billion, operating expenses minus 68.60, operating income 200.25, non-operating income expenses 9.42, tax and others minus 52.65, net income 157.02 billion INR. And we are going to break down its revenue. Main source of revenue comes from information technology and business service, engineering and research development, HCL software. By country, America, Europe, rest of the world, and India. And here are the estimate revenue with actual revenue 100, 753.79, estimate 755, actual 856, estimate 857, actual 1.01 trillion, estimate 1.01 trillion INR, actual 1.10, estimate 1.10, surprise by minus 2.42, earning actual 47.92, estimate 49.05, actual 49.77, estimate 48.98, Actual 54.79, estimate 54.18, actual 57.86, estimate 58.50, and dividend yield 3.86, last payment 18, last X date of May 7, 2024. This one is payout ratio 89.66%, return earning this one. And 2019 dividend per share 6 INR, dividend yield 1.37. 2020 dividend per share 16, dividend yield 1.63. 2021 dividend per share 44, dividend yield 3.78. 2022 dividend per share 48, dividend yield 4.42. 2023 dividend per share 52, dividend yield 3.37. And debt of 79, free cash flow 115, cash and equivalent 48, debt 65, free cash flow 181, cash and equivalent 65, debt 63, free cash flow 156, cash and equivalent 105, debt 47, free cash flow 169, cash and equivalent 90, debt 57, free cash flow 223, cash and equivalent 201, assist 593, liabilities 227, assist 204, 87. And we will see its statement over long time period of long time frame. 2017 total revenue 505, gross profit 135, operating income 99, pre-tax income 110, net income 87, total revenue 604, gross profit 161, operating income 119, pre-tax income 126, net income 101. Total revenue 706, gross profit 181, operating income 141, pre-tax income 140, net income 110. Total revenue was 753, gross profit 185, operating income 156, and pre-tax income 158. Net income 111.45, and 2021 total revenue 856, gross profit 198, operating income 164, pre-tax income 169, net income 134. Total revenue 1.01, gross profit 234, operating income 187, pre-tax income 194, net income 148. Total revenue 1.10 trillion, gross profit 268, operating income 200, pre-tax income 209, and net income 157 billion INR. Cost of goods sold minus 370, minus 442, minus 525, minus 568, minus 658, minus 780, minus 830, minus 830. Operating income minus 35, minus 41, minus 40, minus 28, minus 34, minus 47, minus 68, minus 68. Non-operating income 10, 6, minus 1 billion, 2.19, 5.15, 6.67, 6.9.42, 9.42. Tax 130 million, minus 20 million. Non-controlling minority interest minus 10 million, minus 400 million, minus 240 million, minus 240 million, 60 million, minus 80 million, minus 80 million. Net income before discounted operation 87, 101, 110, 111, 134, 148, 157, 157. Dilution adjustment 00. Dilution net income available 87.21, 101.20, 110.57, 111, 134, 148. Basic earning per share 31.12, 36.79, 40.15, 41.07, 49.77, 54.85, 57.99, 57.99. Diluted earning per share 31, 36, 40, 41, 49, 54, 57, 57. Average share outstanding 2.80, 2.75, 2.71, 2.71, 2.71, 2.71. Diluted share 2.80, 2.75, 2.71, 2.71. EBIDTA 113, 140, 175, 202, 207, 228, 241, 241. EBIT 99, 119, 141, 156, 164, 187, 200, 200. Total operating expenses 406, 484, 565, 597, 692, 600, 827, 898, 898. And we'll see his balance sheet. Total assets 480, 585, 829, 861, 890, 924, 997. Total liabilities 116, 171, 314, 261, 270, 280, 350. Total equity 363, 414, 514, 600, 620, 653, 682. Total liabilities 480, 585, 829, 861, 890, 934, 997. Total left 5.57, 41.95, 79.86, 65.01, 63.43, 47.86, 57.56. Total left 59.96 minus 61.09 minus 39.79, 91.60 minus 125.32 minus 153.23 minus 214. Book value per share 130.67, 152.50, 188.92, 220.78, 228.69, 241.58. Cash from operating 88, 92, 133, 200, 173, 185, 234. Cash from investing activity minus 27, minus 13, minus 125, minus 63, 2.42, minus 4.68, minus 7.57. Cash from financing 57, 16, 30, 110, 136, 150. Free cash flow 34.70, 57.46, 115, 131, 156, 169, 223. And statistics report. This one is total common share outstanding 2.78, 2.71, 2.71, 2.71, 2.71. Float share outstanding 1.09, 1.08, 1.08, 1.08, 1.06, 1.06, 1.06. Number of employee 120, 137, 160, 181, 224, 241. Number of shareholder 972, 972, 972, 972, 972, 972. Price to earning ratio 15.59, 14.79, 10.72, 23.95, 23.38, 19.83, 26.67, 23.25. Price to sales ratio 2.69, 2.48, 1.68, 3.54, 3.68, 2.90. Price to cash flow ratio 15.43, 15.65, 8.87, 13.30, 18.22, 15.86. Price to book ratio 3.71, 3.57, 2.31, 4.45, 5.09, 4.50. Enterprise value 1.30, 1.44, 1.15, 2.58, 3.03, 2.79, 3.44. Enterprise value 11.46, 10.21, 6.54, 12.74, 14.61, 12.21, 14.20. Return on assets 18.54, 18.99, 15.63, 13.18, 15.41, 16.28, 16.26, 16.26. Return on equity 25.16, 26.03, 23.87, 20.55, 22.16, 23.33, 23.49, 23.49. Return on invested capital 24.90, 24.97, 21.97, 18.28, 20.28, 21.73, 22.71. Gross margin 26.75, 26, 27.50, 24.57, 23.16, 23.10, 24.46, 23.98. Operating margin 19.69, 19.86, 19.99, 20.74, 19.17, 18.45, 18.22, 17.63. EBITDA 22.42, 25.29, 24.83, 20.26.86, 24.23, 22.54, 22.02, 21.46. Net margin 17.25, 16.75, 15.64, 14.79, 15.76, 14.64, 14.29, 13.99. Quick ratio 2.38, 2.37, 1.59, 2.43, 2.50, 2.44, 2.60, 2.60. Current ratio 2.41, 2.38, 1.60, 2.44. 2.51, 2.46, 2.61. Inventory turnover 119, 204, 263, 276, 234, 257, 321, 321. AC turnover 0.57, 1.13, 1, 0.89, 0.98, 1.11, 1.14, 1.14. Debt to AC ratio 0.01, 0.01, 0.10, 0.80, 0.07, 0.05, 0.06. Debt to equity ratio 0.02, 0.10, 0.16, 0.11, 0.10, 0.07, 0.08, 0.08. Long term debt 0.01, 0.05, 0.06, 0.07, 0.06, 0.04, 0.05. Long-term debt to total equity ratio 0.01, 0.07, 0.10, 0.10, 0.09, 0.06, 0.07, and dividend per share 4, 4, 6, 16, 44, 48, 52. I think it is increasing its dividend towards its shareholder. Dividend L 0.83, 0.74, 1.537, 1.63, 3.78, 4.42, 3.37. Payout ratio 12.86, 10.87, 14.12, 38.96, 88.40, 87.51, 89.67. And earning with this one is earning with reported 31.31, 36.78, 43.18, 47.92, 49.77, 54.79, 57.86, estimate 31.39, 36.79, 39.86, 49.05, 48.98, 54.18, 58.50. Reported 505, 613, 752, 753, 836, 1.01, 1.10. Estimate 506, 603, 710, 755, 857, 1.01, 1.01, 1.16 trillion, 1.27 trillion, 1.36 trillion, 1.57 trillion. And we will see is revenue. Main source of revenue comes from information technology and business service 505, 534, 617, 740, engineering and research development 117, 117, 135, 168, HCL software 80.83, 102.33, 103.45, 106, software 271.39, 295.86, 338.89, infrastructure 185, 190, 224, business processing outstanding 18.86, 18.62, 30.33, America 273, 294, 359, 406, 424, 432, Europe 127, 138, 161, 193, 208, 229, 268, rest of the world 54, 52, 61, 80, 97, 113, 128, India 19, 19, 21, 23, 22, 31, 39, and we'll see its forecast. Up to 1 year, its stock price will be rise around 29.21%, 1750 average 15.16, current 15.54, minimum will be 1300, my minimum 4.01%, and we will see its technical indicator over 1 month time frame will be RSI 56.15, stochastic 59.60, commodity 42, average directional index 41, awesome oscillator 324, momentum 237, MACD 124, stochastic RSI 27, Williams percent range -50, bull bear power -32, ultimate oscillator 56, exponential moving average 1387, simple moving average 400, exponential moving average 1290, simple moving average 1250, exponential moving 1212, simple moving 1187, exponential moving 1084, simple moving average 1069, exponential moving average 857, simple moving average 100, exponential moving average 569, simple moving average 480, Ichimochi baseline 986, volume weightage 1263, all moving average 1493, and support third 345, support second 837, support first 1151, pivot 1330.60, resistance 1644, resistance second 1823, resistance third 2316, 137, 1026, 1142, 1330, 1518, 1615, 1823, Carmelia 1330, 1375, 1420, 1330, 1511, 1556, 1601, Woody 1715, 866, 1208, 1358, 701, 851, 294, and support first 1241, pivot 1 1375, 1734, and we will see it on super chart also. Analyzing the super chart for this stock, you can see the volume was here. of its high volume, and next volume was formed over this time frame, and you cannot see the high volume over here and over here. So we'll try to make. I think this chart pattern is in uptrend and it is good to buy. It is on recover phase and it will again rise again. Okay, and a lot of stock were accumulated. And thank you this much for today.